Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a Ghibli edit. To begin, understand that a Ghibli-style edit aims for a warm, dreamlike aesthetic, often featuring soft, inviting colors and gentle, ethereal lighting. The goal is to evoke a sense of wonder and nostalgia, much like the beloved animated films. We'll focus on enhancing natural elements and creating a slightly desaturated yet vibrant look, giving your visuals a unique, painterly quality. This guide will help you transform your footage. Next, let's dive into color grading, which is crucial for the Ghibli aesthetic. Start by adjusting your white balance to a warmer setting, introducing subtle yellow and orange tones. Then, slightly reduce the overall saturation, but selectively boost the vibrancy of natural elements like greens and blues. Use color curves to gently lift the blacks and softly crush the highlights, creating a dreamy, low-contrast feel. Finally, apply split toning, adding warm hues to your highlights and cool tones to your shadows for depth. Now, let's focus on lighting and atmosphere to truly capture that Ghibli magic. Enhance your natural light sources, ensuring they appear soft and beautifully diffused. Consider adding subtle glow effects or gentle light leaks to mimic ethereal sunbeams filtering through trees or windows. Introducing atmospheric elements like a touch of fog, mist, or even tiny dust particles can add incredible depth and a sense of wonder. Adjust your exposure to achieve a slightly overexposed, dreamy quality in your brighter areas. For the final touches, let's refine your Ghibli edit. Apply a subtle film grain or a delicate texture overlay to give your visuals that charming, hand-drawn animation feel. Use a vignette effect sparingly, perhaps with a soft, feathered edge, to gently draw the viewer's eye towards your main subject. Carefully sharpen key elements to ensure clarity without making them look artificial. Finally, review all your shots to ensure a consistent color palette and a unified, enchanting mood throughout your entire project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.